Hi guys, today we will put together these two raised beds and we will show you how hubby set it all up, what soil he used, and we will also talk about why metal raised bed. If this is something you're interested in, keep on watching.
Hold the inside right here. Watch when I lift that. Tighten.
So I put a drain pipe over here by the fence, and I put over 12 feet wide of landscape fabric, and I put together 4 of those garden beds, and I put down the mulch, which we got for free. And I filled them all with old firewood that's rotted, some madrona, I call it Hugo culture, and then on top of that I put some mulch, ground topsoil. And then I did the Mels mix. So this is the Mels mix formula.
Why metal raised bed? 1. So metal will last longer than wood. We are in the Pacific Northwest, Zone B, more wet days than dry days. 2. One of the challenges that kept people here from gardening is slugs and snails. So these raised beds, plus the wood chips or mulch around it, will slow them down from reaching our plants. 3. Aside from slugs and snails, we also have moles. The woven wire underneath these raised beds will block them from getting into the raised beds and from eating the roots. Thank you so much guys for watching, and hope you learned something from this video. You have questions, suggestions, please let us know. If you haven't yet, please subscribe to our channel, and we will see you again in the next video.